Alright guys, we're back for phase 2 of the Home Edition project documentary, and that is the forming and pouring of the concrete slab. So as you can see, they've started, but we're now slowed down by rain here. But at least that gives me a chance to come out and film. So they got big strong forms here. They're really locked in. Going to be adding rebar to the footings before they pour to tie everything in, drilling into it, as well as into the house. It's a lot of stone. It's going to be about 3 steps down off the house. We originally thought it might be 2, but that would leave it way too high. That would leave it, 9 inches above the wall here. And I'm going to have an outdoor fireplace tied in, as you'll see later. So we don't want that. We want it to be pretty much level. And that's how it is now. As the project progresses, there'll be a separate little mini landing pad out the back below what's going to mount to a screen door to the backyard. Alright, concrete truck is back for the pour. Alright guys, I don't know if you can hear it. Time to pour the pad. Let's go see. Almost done. All right, they're all done. Setting up now. Looks really good. It's nice to finally see the idea of the room kind of come to life now. Get a feel for the size. They proceeded to do an even bigger mess to the yard though. The second time the massive concrete truck came by. So, definitely gonna have to get that fixed. The contractor said that'll be the last thing they do. They'll come in, till it up, put some topsoil down and some fresh seed. Right, guys, the concrete's all set up. It's really looking good, drying fast. It's a hot August day here. So I'm gonna apply a little trick I used to know when I did some concrete work myself. Spray a little bit of misty water on top, make sure it cures a little bit slower and gets even harder. So that's what we're gonna do. Really helps it set up a little bit slower and get nice and hard. All right guys, well, that brings a conclusion to the second episode here. It's finally starting to come together, as you can see. It's nice you get to see the room size really take shape, come to life. So next step, it's gonna get some lumber delivered in the framing, so stay tuned.